Maybe may bago na naman tayong dapat abangan sa EV charging scene dito sa Pilipinas. Kamakailan, ginanap ang groundbreaking ceremony ng The Power Station by Carbev sa Merville, Pasay City. And this is definitely na dapat nating abangan. So ano nga ba ang meron dito? The Power Station will feature 40 EV charging points with 60 kilowatt charging capacity and designed siya to serve up to 500 electric vehicles per day. Yes, hanggang 500 EVs in one day. So habang patuloy na dumarami ang mga electric vehicles sa mga kalsada natin, malaking bagay talaga yung pagkakaroon ng mas maraming charging locations na accessible sa mga EV users. But what makes this project interesting is hindi lang siya basta charging station. Part ito ng vision ng Carbev na magkaroon ng integrated electric mobility ecosystem. Meaning, hindi lang charging infrastructure ang focus nila, but also electric vehicles, technology, financing solutions, and strategic partnership. And with this project, isa ito sa mga aabangan nating charging station bago matapos ang 2026. At hopefully, sana mas marami pa tayong makitang ganitong klaseng projects para mas accessible at convenient sa mga EV users. So this is the Power Station by Carbev, powering the future.